Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, the host, Chewy, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're just going to be taking a look at how I reverse source and exactly what I look for. And this is basically how I start off every single day reverse sourcing. And then also, if you like the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and if you have any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything, drop them in the comment section down below. But okay, guys, let's get started. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Alright, guys, so with this lecture, I'm just going to show you guys how to reverse source really quick. So I'm going to start off with Nike socks just because I know Amazon doesn't sell like any Nike products, so I know we'll be safe with these. So I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to see, because the 6-pack ones, what I noticed is they tend to, I'm going to actually do this one right here, because this one looks like it's the highest price out of all of these. Actually, this one is too. Maybe I'll click on both of these. So, and then sorry, my internet's going to be a little bit slow because I am using Loom, but damn, this one sells a lot. But I'm just going to show you guys exactly what to do. So with this product, we're just going to hit Google, and those are Adidas, Fitbit, Shop WSS, and then I'm just going to hit shopping, and then I'm going to see if I can find these. Nike Everyday, $14.99. Dick's Sporting Goods. So this one for sure is not profitable. So I'm actually gonna keep this one up, but I'm gonna check this one out really quick because this one was close to $25 as well. All right, this one I'll actually exit out of, and then basically what I like to do is I scroll all the way down on selleramp, and I think I'm gonna choose this guy right here because he's only got 3 reviews. But I'm just going to see what kind of products they have. So he only has this one, so I'm going to exit out of his. 27. And then as you can see, like next to their stores, they have how many reviews they have. So this guy has 66. So I'm just going to check his store out and see like what exactly he's selling. So what I usually like to do is I like to sort through either the brand name or the category. I don't like to just like just go throughout his whole page. So I'm just going to press Nike. And he's got those socks, $26, $28. I'm gonna check this one. And then what I usually like to do is the max cost has to be at least $15 or more. I know that one, damn, actually, how much was it? Oh, these ones, I'll check out these ones because these ones are for kids. So, no, those are for boys. Boys 6-pack. This has to be for $13, and I'm gonna check a little bit more, but no, I don't see them. So I'm just gonna exit out of these two, and then I'm just gonna keep going. $8, $13.26. Let me check out this one. Yeah, I guess I'll check it out. I'm gonna check out that one. Nike, no. This one's 31. I'm gonna check out that one as well. Nike pullover hoodie. And then right here, you can see the Keepa graph as well. I forgot to tell you guys that. Over here, like the Keepa's on the right, and this product doesn't seem to go down that much. So I'm gonna check out this one as well. Alright, duffel bag. This one I sold in the past, so I'm just gonna hit Google like I always do. And how much did I have to sell for? 26. 32. So no, that's not gonna work either. Alright, and then this one's $31. So I have to get it at least for $31 or lower than that. Alright, so the Nike sign is up here. Said 31, right? Yeah. That's not gonna work. kick screw. I'm gonna check out this site. I'm trying to see right now if these are the same ones. Exit out of that. Damn. I don't know if these are the same or not. So like this one, I would add it to another Google sheet to see, like later on I'll see if these are the same. But I'm actually just gonna skip this one. But if these are the same, then this is a good lead for you guys. And then this one I used to sell in the past as well. So I'm just gonna hit Google, shopping, and then we need to get this at least for $33.90. So Amazon, no. Those aren't the same, so I'm gonna skip that one too. And then as you can see, we can't find anything as of right now, but we'll go on to the next one. And then this is basically all you do is you just keep going like that. Nike is an amazing one to try. And then let me actually try Stanley really quick. And then as you can see, Amazon just ran out of these. So if you wanted to FBM these, if you found these profitably, you can try that. But let me try this one too. Stanley. So for $33, I have to look for it. The 30 ounces. Yeah, this is a 40 ounce, so this wouldn't be. So those aren't the same. So next, I'm actually gonna hit shopping and see if I can find anything. No, that wouldn't be good. So exit out of that one. Or not exit, just click off it. 30 ounces. No, that's not the same either. $45 on Target. So as you can see, I can't find anything right now. But you just have to keep trying and you have to keep going. Google. $45, $45. And then this is the last product that I'm going to try. I've never heard of this site, so I'm not going to click on it. Alright, so yeah, those aren't profitable. And then also, another great category to try is toys and games. This one probably can't find it profitably. But yeah, this is basically how you do reverse sourcing. Of course, it is going to take a little bit for you to find a product, but honestly, that's okay. You have to keep trying, you have to keep going, and you have to make sure that you don't give up. But alright guys, on to the next lesson.